How to log out of YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log out of YouTube, so simply make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of YouTube, whether it is the app or whether it is the website, so currently you can see that I'm on youtube.com and I'm signed in with my Google or YouTube account. Now what you have to do from here is, if you want to log out of your YouTube account, if you look closely at the top right hand side, you'll find a YouTube profile picture. Make sure to click on that profile picture. Here you'll find switch account, and underneath that you'll find an option labeled as sign out. So all you have to do is to simply click on this little option that says sign out, and as in when you click on it, you'll be instantly signed out of your YouTube account, and this way you'll be able to log out of YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.